Hi, this is number 10 Shop I channel. We are here at Loftus Stadium. Mamelodi Sundowns 3, Cape Town Spurs not. Brother, how do you feel about the game tonight?
Brother, you know, each and every time when you come up against Mamelodi Sundowns, you feel so desperate that you have arrived, yet you lose. It's trembling. You know, it feels like jelly. Turns the legs to jelly. You know, if I were to say something that was quoted by the great Thanos, that when you arrive and you think that you've made it, you lose. And it's like that because that is destiny, and destiny is Mamelodi Sundowns.
So do you think that Cape Town Spurs came here to win?
No, they knew very well. They understood the precision. They understood who are the kings. And they had to comprehend the very same fact that the reflection of reality is that Mamelodi Sundowns is the greatest team in South Africa, breaking records. Look what we are doing now. There is one record that we have not broken, and that is to go 30 games without a loss. And that is our very ambition.
Are you gunning for it?
No, absolutely. The first purpose and the first mission is to win the first 15 games. And after that, we are going to manage all these games because you must remember the CAF is on the way, and the Nedbank Cup is also on the way. And therefore, we want to win the Nedbank Cup so that we win at least a treble. And the treble will mean that the Super League will mean that the PSL Championship and the Nedbank Cup as well as the CAF Champions League.
No, thank you very much, my brother. Congratulations tonight.
Thank you.